Hi there, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can withdraw money from your Validus account. First thing, try to log into your account using your username and password. And once you enter your account, this is what your dashboard would look like. And you can see your wallet balance, rewards, lifetime earning. Next, you're going to go to profile section and then click password and 2FA. And we're going to do a two-factor authentication. So for that, download the Authy or Google Authenticator for iOS or Android. What this does is that it provides extra layer of security for your account that is basically designed to ensure that you're the only person who gets access to your account. So I'm just going to switch to my phone to show you how that process works. Go to Play Store and download the Google Authenticator app. When you do that, try to scan the QR code that you're going to see over here, or you can enter it manually. And once you do that, you're going to get a two-factor code, which you have to enter in this block over here. And just click Activate 2FA and the code will be activated. And then you should be good to go. For the next step, we're going to go to something called as wallet. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to transfer the reward wallet into your main wallet. And you're going to enter the amount of money that you want to transfer. You have to enter the 2FA code, which you're going to get from your phone, and then just click swap. And then you're going to see that the money has been transferred from rewards wallet into the main wallet. So then you're going to select the withdrawal mode. So we put Bitcoin, then we're going to enter the amount. So we're going to put that as 100. Then we're going to put our Bitcoin address, which I've already done. And next you're going to put in the 2FA code, which you're going to get from your phone. And then you're going to click withdraw and the money has been withdrawn into your Bitcoin wallet. And that's essentially how you can withdraw money from your Validus account. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And last but not the least, you can go to the transactions. You can go to withdrawal transaction and get information about the date, amount, the status of the withdrawal, and basically all that information to understand what's going on with your account. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Till then, take care. I shall see you guys in my next one. Bye.